Hi, welcome to week 3. This week's topic is PowerPoint. There are tons of videos out on YouTube and the internet about using Microsoft PowerPoint. By now, I am assuming you know how to get into a Windows 13 application. Here is Microsoft PowerPoint. Here's our start screen. Just like in Microsoft Word, we have our recent documents on the left. We have our templates here, across the top, and we can search for additional ones. We can, start anything from a template such as that. So here I am in PowerPoint. Just like in Microsoft Word, we have our tabs across the top. We have our ribbon underneath. The tabs are a little different, although they're very similar at the same time, so this should not look different to you. Now, as far as design, our designs are a little different. Our themes are a little different. We didn't have transitions, and if you're new to PowerPoint, I highly recommend that you play with these different transitions. And a transition has to do with how a slide appears on the screen. One of the key to PowerPoint is what I'm going to say, for lack of technical words, is you got to play. The more you play, the more you'll see. The more you'll see, the more you'll learn. The more you see, the more you do. Notice I can have sounds as a slide appears. I'm going to let you experiment with transitions, with adding sounds, with adding special effects, with rehearsing and timing. Animations are different than transitions. Animations are different. Animations have to do with the way things appear on the screen, not the slide itself, but the text within the slide. The text within the slide. You definitely need to spend considerable amount of time, playing, for lack of technical words, with different animations. You don't have this in Microsoft Word. This is your slideshow tab. We could play the slideshow from the beginning, from the current slide. We can do things called rehearse. Let's assume I have a 10-slide slideshow and I'm going to do a business presentation. I can rehearse my times so that each slide may appear on the screen the exact amount of time I need. And I can rehearse and rehearse. And then when I play it back, instead of me clicking or advancing each slide, I can play them back with my rehearsed times. Okay. Here I am. There's my first slide. To create a new slide, I can simply go to multiple places, but the easiest is here, new slide. When I create a new slide, I have options when I create a new slide, how I want it to look. I can make those selections here, or I can make those selections here. Let's assume I want a completely blank slide. I want to maybe insert an image here or do whatever I want. Notice once I have multiple slides, now I have 3. I can view them in my slide viewer. I can move them around, rearrange them. I can do a lot. I can change my transitions, my layouts, my backgrounds, my colors. Wow. We could spend forever, or we could stop now. You need to go into PowerPoint. This is the application besides Word that I assume you already know. You need to spend some time here. You need to go to YouTube. You might want to go to Microsoft's website if you need some help, and you need to read the book. There is an assignment posted on PowerPoint, and that is it for me. Good luck. I will see you next week. See you next week.